Hello guys, this is Rohit. Today I am going to solve another problem from LeetCode which is contains duplicate. So I will start the timer. Given an integer array nums, return true if any value appears at least twice in the array and return false if every element is distinct. So in the example 1, since 1 appeared twice, they are returning true. In the second example, all elements are unique, so they are returning false. In the third example, again we have some duplicates, so they are returning true. We will solve this problem using set. So we will maintain a set to store the elements that we have already seen. And when we iterate over this array, we will also check if this set contains the element or not. If this set contains the current element, then we can say that we found a duplicate and we will return true. And after completing the loop, if we are not able to find any duplicate, then we will return false. So let's start. So we'll declare a set new hash set. We'll write one for loop to iterate over the array. And if this set contains the current element, which is num, then we found a duplicate. We will return true. We will also store this element uh, to make sure that we have seen this element. And after completing the loop, if we are not able to find any duplicate, then we will return false. Okay, so let's try to run this problem. Okay, so all test cases have been passed. So we will submit this solution. We will also check what is the time and space complexity. So first let's submit, then we'll see. Okay, so solution is accepted. So the time complexity for this is order of n. Since we are iterating over this array only once, and space complexity is also order of n, since we are using this set so in the worst case this can contain all elements in this array from this array nums, right? So space is also order of n. So we are done. Thank you so much. If you have any feedback, please share in the comments. Thank you.